Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a beautiful little custom built inclined feed conveyor. It's formerly used for a frozen slug, as it could be used for a block or anything similar. You'll see it has heavy duty cleats which are gusseted onto the belt. Central tracking feature. It's discharging at about 64 inches right now. It does have a slight bit of movement. It has a variable speed control here. And this one is new to us, so we're not sure how it actually operates, but it will slow down to absolutely a crawl because of the previous application. You can see how slow we're running right now at 7.6 hertz. And you can see how slow that actually is if the feed rate called for something like that. And then you can just turn it back up, and they limit it, pre-programmed and limited to 30 hertz. It is a NEMA 4X washdown duty controller. As you can see, it's on wheels. Has a built-in drip tray underneath here. Since the material previously moved on this was frozen. Of course, your discharge right there. All stainless steel food grade construction. You can see easily dismantles for cleaning. Washdown duty stainless steel drive up top here. And of course a little platform for the slugs to come out and be pushed into a mill in this case. We do have the mill if you're interested in this as a whole package. We are selling them separately though. Once again operating on 223 phase voltage here. The motor is dual voltage, but the control is set for 223 phase. Beautiful little lift. Was doing frozen slugs that came out of 5-gallon pails, but it could easily, as you can see, do anything that's a block type material. You're going to find this on our website under our conveyors inclined section. We'll have all the details, the size of the cleats, distance between centers, etc. We have everything in our inventory for process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.